Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. I have actually very recently started getting back into my fitness routine. It's been over a year since I sincerely started working out, so I thought why not get back into it. I have actually been posting about it on my Instagram quite a lot, and a lot of my followers over there keep asking me about my routines. So I thought why not actually vlog my workout routine today. I actually train with, I train virtually with a trainer online who's based in Delhi. So you will be getting a sneak peek, in fact, quite a detailed sneak peek of my entire routine today. I am going to be doing legs and biceps today, and a lot of you guys also ask about my athleisure, activewear. So I'm wearing these leggings from Superdry, and also this tee is also from Superdry. I recently got it from Ajio. I will actually be doing my Ajio haul super soon. It's probably going to be the next video, so stay tuned for that. Also, I actually wanted to tell you guys about a little bit of skincare that I follow pre-workout. It's extremely important, especially because you sweat so much, right, during workout. So it's really important to make sure you're doing the right skincare. So I'm quickly going to show you guys, what I do, and then we'll head to our workout, which is about to start at 4 p.m. and it's about 3:15 right now. So the first thing that I do is obviously apply a good face wash. I'm currently using the one that was recommended by my dermat. This is the Beprox 10, and the major ingredients in this are benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid. I obviously have an acne-prone skin. If you guys have watched my earlier skincare videos, you know that. So this is extremely good for that. I then follow this up with a moisturizer. I'm currently using this cetyl alcohol. Basically, this is for, again, acne-prone skin, given to me by my dermat. So I use this for moisturizing. I actually also use a cleansing brush sometimes. I'll show it to you guys. This is basically for like exfoliation. It comes with three different kinds of brushes, depending on how harsh exfoliation you want. So I use this right after my face wash and before the moisturizer. I don't use it every day, but most of the times I do. And then the last step is basically I follow all that up with the sunscreen, and this is like the most important step. Even if you're not stepping out and you're just staying indoors, I would recommend applying the sunscreen, because if you are looking at your laptop screens or any digital screens, they do give out rays that can harm your skin. So always put a sunscreen, and if you're stepping out, you must apply it 15 to 20 minutes before. So my workout starts in about 20-25 minutes, and I've already applied my sunscreen. This is the Requil Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. Now this is SPF 50, so it protects you from both UVA and UVB rays, and the texture is super smooth and it's gel based, and it instantly absorbs in your skin, which is perfect for me. It does not feel heavy or greasy. Because I have oily and acne prone skin, this is perfect for me because it's super light and it doesn't feel like I've put on too much despite putting a good generous amount of it on my skin. It's also like sweat resistant and water resistant, so perfect for before your workouts. It also acts as a great primer before makeup, by the way. So I am going to link all of these products in the description box for you guys in case you want to check it out. And in fact, you can also use my code Ishita Khanna for a 20% off on all Requil products. I highly recommend this sunscreen if you're looking for something that's gel based and not too heavy. This does not even leave like a white cast like a lot of sunscreen, so you can pick it out from the link down below and use my coupon code as well in case you guys are interested. Now I usually have a banana before I start working out, so I'm going to go grab that and then we'll start our workout routine. So my setup is ready. I usually use this tiny Gorilla Pod. Put my phone on here. I work out on Zoom, and I'm just finishing up my banana. I just need to go get all the equipments outside, then we'll start working out. To the end of my workout routine. It was mostly legs and a little bit of biceps. I am totally dead right now, but I do want to tell you guys that I am a beginner right now. My form isn't 100% correct, but I know I will get there eventually. Your fitness journey is all about eventually achieving perfection, so I know I will get there. But I hope you guys follow me along with my fitness journey. If you guys do want to watch more such fitness vlogs, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to do more of these. And I'm gonna go head inside and grab myself a smoothie. I usually do like a banana, spinach, peanut butter with a little bit of protein powder. So I'm gonna go grab that. But this brings us to the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't leave without hitting that like, share and subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.